Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the PS3 model and the TV inputs you have. This determines the cable to use. Once done, pick HDMI if both devices support it. It's simplest and gives best picture. If not, choose component for higher quality than composite, or composite only if necessary. Make sure the PS3 and TV remain powered off while you plug cables. This prevents detection failures and electrical issues. Now connect the power cord to the PS3, but leave devices off until all video/audio cables are secure. With cables connected, power sequence matters. Turn on the TV first and select the input you used. Next, connect the PS3 power cable to the outlet, then press the PS button on the controller to wake the console. If using HDMI, the PS3 should auto-detect resolution. If using component or composite, you may see a prompt to confirm video settings. Follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure the controller is synced via USB if wireless pairing fails. And keep volume and TV picture settings adjustable for finish by calibrating video and audio. Go to Settings, Display Settings, and pick the resolution that matches your TV. This avoids overscan or black bars. Once set, choose audio output. Use optical or HDMI audio pass-through depending on your system. If you encounter problems, check cable seating first and swap cables or ports. Often a bad HDMI or loose connector is the culprit. If the screen stays blank, power down. Hold the PS3 power button until it beeps twice to reset video output. Then retry connecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.